Okay, so I think all of you have joined, and in today's practical, we will be doing this particular protein modeling or protein homology modeling or comparative modeling of protein. Okay, so like already we have gone through this particular theory part for this practical. Okay, so we talked like that this particular homology modeling of protein is based on the principle of your blast. Okay, so we discussed like that in this particular practical we'll be using two different software. Okay, one will be your Geno 3D and one will be your Swiss model. Okay, today we'll be using this Geno 3D software, and we will try to generate some 3D structure of protein from a given sequence. Okay, so in practical exam, they will give you the sequence. Okay, they will give you the protein sequence. You have to perform the practical by using the appropriate software. Okay, so in this practical mainly we need one protein sequence. Second, we will need this particular Geno 3D web server, okay, which is freely available. And thirdly, we'll need one more software for visualization. I told you there are different types of visualization software. Yes or no? I told you, no? We have different types of visualization software through which we can visualize the structure. Okay, so out of all those visualization software, we will be using one visualization software called as your ResWin. Okay, so I'll just share the screen and I'll show you how to download ResWin and how to install it first. Okay, then we'll move with this particular practical. Okay, can you hear me all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just sharing my screen, then you'll get to know about all those things. Okay, so you just have to type ResWin here or ResSmall, whatever you write. Okay, so this one you have to get. Okay, you just have to click here. Okay, I think all of you are having Windows only, no, in your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you just have to click here. Okay, so you have to keep this file over here. Okay, so all of you have to download this particular software for this particular practical. Okay, ResSmall software. Okay, you have to download it. And then only you will be able to see your structure of the particular protein. Even you can use this particular software for getting lots of information for a given protein. Okay, so then you have to go for the particular folder, then just go to ResSmall and you have to run as administrator whatever you do. Okay, you have to just install it. Okay, I think there won't be any problem while installation. Okay, you just have to install this particular software. I think you know it, how to install a software, you know? Yes, just you have to okay, install it. Okay, then when you'll be installing, no, they will show you this type of page. Okay, it will be written as ResWin. Okay, this one will come. Okay, this particular thing will come, then you have to go to file, then you have to open. Okay, then you'll be opening any of this particular, for example I am opening this this one. Okay, then they'll show you structure. Getting my point here?
Yes.
Okay, you can use different for example you need ball and stick model. Okay, you need other model, stick model. Okay, you can use different cartoons. Okay, different thing you can use. Okay, so like this you can use this particular ResWin software. Okay, then mainly after visualization. Okay, after visualization you will be using one more option here, that will be your this one is your another the same protein having different display. Okay, so in this file option, you just have to go to the file option, then you have to go to information option. Okay, then you'll be getting the information for this protein. How many chains are there, how many groups are there, how many atoms are there, how many bonds are there. Okay, all those information you will be getting. Okay, which option? Just have to go to file, information. Okay, this thing you have to write in this practical. Okay, getting my point, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. If you want to save this particular structure, okay, you just can take the screenshot of this one. I think you know how to take the screenshot. Okay, that's what you have to do with this particular software, Resmol. Okay, so now we'll be going to the practical session. Then we'll see how to do all this protein modeling. Okay. Okay. Okay, so just sharing this particular screen again. Okay, you just have to download the software first. Okay, now I told you this comparative modeling or homology modeling, it is done for your protein only. Okay, not for your nucleotide. Okay, we will be doing it for protein. Okay, so for that one we will need one protein sequence first. Okay, you have to input the protein sequence. It will give you the 3D structure. Okay, okay, but this particular 3D structure is not a extra crystallographic structure. It is not extra crystallographic structure. Okay, it is given by or using some mathematical calculation, and they will predict the structure. Okay, so now we will go to the bank for getting the sequence. Okay, okay, we'll just go to nucleotide your protein. Okay, one we are having one protein sequence from Manas sir. Okay, then we'll be using this sequence. Okay, okay, it is a sequence for hepatitis. Okay, B virus. Okay, uh, just put here. Okay, we'll just search it. So this is the accession number. Okay, this is the accession number for the sequence. You can search by accession number also. You can search by organism name also. Okay, just search it. Okay, so directly it will give you the sequence when you search with your ID. Okay, so this is the sequence. Okay, so this is by submitted by Manas sir. Okay, uh, now we will let this sequence. Okay, this protein sequence we need. Okay, so we'll just click on the FASTA. Okay, and you see there is no structure available for this protein. If it is available, it will show here only. So just put or convert this sequence from GenPep to, this is in GenPep format, convert it into FASTA. Okay, following all of you? All of you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write the steps.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write the steps. Okay, if you are getting any confusion, ask me then only. Okay, so we have got this particular structure. Then we will go to the software. Then we are having the software called as Geno 3D. Okay, this is the software Geno 3D. Okay, so this is automatic modeling of protein, 3-dimensional structure. Okay, so already written here, this automatic modeling of protein 3-dimensional structure. So this Geno 3D will generate 3D structure of your protein, which will be done automatically. Okay, then click here. Okay, so like now you got this particular screen. Okay, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, to give you the main screen. Okay, now we will be putting the sequence over here. Okay, so we have some particular place over here, so we will just copy the sequence from here. Okay, next we will put this sequence here. Okay, so there are some options. You don't have to change all those things. Okay, let it be like this only. Don't have to give the sequence name also. Okay, other thing, it will be like this only. Okay, don't change it, just submit it, and submit button is there. Okay, and let's see what will happen. So now no, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now no, we just have input the sequence. No, we just copied it
Yes, sir.
and have input the sequence. Okay, now whatever thing they are written here, Geno 3D is running. Okay, whatever they have written here, no, like now blast is going on inside. Okay, the blast program is going on inside the server of your Geno 3D. Okay, automatically they will be doing all those blasts. Okay, you don't have to perform blast. Okay, so in blast also you got this like only. Here only this region PSI blast run for this one. Okay, so in blast also you got result like this, no? Okay, you got result like this only, no? Either some identity they show, yes or no? Okay, so like this they will give lots of result from blast. Okay, now can you hear me all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what I was asking, okay, what I was asking, that after doing this particular or after submitting it, they will give you the result for blast first. Okay, so you are getting lots of results having different types of identity. Okay, or similarity. Identity is nothing but your similarity. Okay, so after that it is written like in first step, select templates to use for each scene in one or more PDB target. Okay, like for from all those results, no, you have to select some sequence. Okay, you may select one, you may select two, you may select three, or you may select more than three. There is no problem. Okay, but at least three sequence we will select here. Okay, yes, is there any problem? Ask me what happened.
Your screen is not
Sir,
দেখা নাই।
কিন্তু দেখা নাই।
Right, sir.
No, sir.
One second. Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There was some problem. Okay. What I was talking, like all these results are nothing but blast results, no? Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
all those first step it is written that you have to select some sequence. Okay. In the theory part only I told you, no, at least 3 sequence we will be selecting. Okay. So here you can select 3 sequence or more than 3 sequence also. There is no problem. Okay. We will just select 3 sequence which will be used for your for the target. Okay, PDB target. Okay, in PDB protein data bank they are having protein structure. Okay, now we will be selecting some sequence from here. Whatever sequence we will be selecting, it will be based on identity. We will select sequence with more identity. Okay, so all those sequences now they will be used against PDB target. In PDB structure, protein structure are there. Okay, so, means they will now see sequence, or they will now see protein structure in PDB against all those structure. For example, I have selected this sequence, then this sequence, and 194% sequence identity sequence. These three sequence I have selected. Okay, is this clear? I have selected just three sequence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what
Yes, sir.
what it will do? These three sequence, whatever I have selected. Okay. Okay. So now they will be used. Okay. These three sequence will be used to see the similarity of any protein structure present in PDB. PDB target means in PDB protein structure you can see. I show you in previous theory classes how a PDB database look like and what type of structure represent, extract structure are present in PDB. At the same time, if structure is present in PDB, their sequences are also present. Yes or no? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
sir.
If structure is present in PDB, no, definitely your sequence will be there. Okay. So now our what is the idea behind this selecting sequence? All those sequences what will be selected now? Now they will work against the PDB target. PDB target means the PDB sequence and PDB structure. If this 97% or 94% sequence match with the PDB target in protein data bank, no, then we can predict that these three sequence may have structure like this. Are you getting on? Not tell me what I am talking. Are you getting on? Not tell me.
Sir, 97, 94 to 01, sir.
Okay, no. All those are nothing but your identity. What you get in your blast. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In blast also it was
Yes, sir.
different. No. Okay.
Yes,
in
sir.
blast also it was different
Yes, sir.
identity or similarity percentage of identity.
Yes, sir.
I show you know how to
Oh.
calculate. All those
Yes,
are
sir.
percentage of identity. What I am talking that you have to select some sequence from here having more identity or more than 60% identity. Okay. When you select
Yes, sir.
all those when you select all those sequences, you can select one sequence also, or you can select 3-4 sequence also, no problem. Okay.
Yes,
When
sir.
you select all these sequence from your Geno 3D, these sequences they will be used against the target. Okay, what is the target concept here? In PDB, protein structures are there. Okay, our aim is to get the 3D structure of protein. So 3D structure of protein is present in your PDB. It is not present in your GenPact or it is not present in EMBL. We did BLAST for getting similar sequence. No, we did BLAST for getting similar sequence. It was if you have your nucleotide sequence, it will search in GenBank or it will search in EMBL. Okay, but for PDB or protein structure similarity search, the bank will be protein data bank. Okay, the bank will be
Yes,
protein
sir.
data bank. But you may have questions, sir, why we are doing BLAST? Because we are doing BLAST because this is a sequence. We are not having the structure. If it is having structure, then directly we can compare. As it is not having structure, first we have to go with the sequence. Then only we can go to the structure. Okay, that is why we are selecting all those sequences. Okay, these sequences are having some similarity with the sequence which are present in protein data bank. Okay, at the same time, the sequences which are present in protein data bank, they are having structure, 3D structure. Okay, so whatever protein sequences are present in protein
Yes.
data bank, okay, and all those sequences whatever we have selected, if they are having similarity, then we can conclude no, so the protein sequences which are present in protein data bank, they are having structure also. So their structure and our protein structure may have similarity. Getting the point of
Yes,
interpretation?
sir.
Is this clear or not? Tell me. All of you, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
What we are
Yes, sir.
going to do actually? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we move further? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you are not getting this particular thing properly, you can just message me in the chat box. Okay. Then I will be answering. So we have just selected these three sequence. Okay. And I have mentioned that you may select one sequence also. There is no problem. then go down. One option is there, select template. Just click on here and let's see what will happen. Okay, now there will be some steps we have to follow it. Okay, so all these three sequence we have selected, having 97, 97 and 94% similarity. Okay, then you just go down. One option is there, put your second step, you have to put your email. So they will be sending result in your email ID. Okay, just give your email ID, keep writing the steps. Okay, okay, next you have an option here, third step, choose number of model to generate. Okay, I told you no, minimum is 3, maximum is 10. Okay,
Yes.
we'll just do it 3. Okay, 3 is enough for us. Okay, then there won't be any sense. Okay, let it be like this only. Okay, just we have included our email ID. Okay, then we have just in third step we have given choose number of models to generate up to 3. Okay, then launch Zenode 3D. Okay, so it will take some time, then they will be sending the result here. Now this particular job is running. Okay, this particular job is running now. Okay, if you have any question now, ask me, because it will take some time.
Sir,
Yes, can ask me.
sir, like Geno 3D is also like similarity search tool, sir, but it's for protein model.
Yes, definitely. It is nothing but a similarity search tool only. Use the principle of BLAST.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, it will just difference is BLAST. In BLAST generally they search for your sequences, but in Zenode 3D they will even go up and it will search structure also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more question? So it will take some time to generate the models. Did you study one topic in your biochemistry, Ramachandran plot? Did you study?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No. So when you submit the sequence, no, it will send you a message like this: Zenode 3D to web server started, and what it will be completed. No, one more message they will be sending ended. Okay, in the ended only you will get the result. Okay, here you won't get any result. Okay, so like it will take some more time, then only we'll be able to see the results. Okay, so it will take time. Okay, so your work will be like you have to download the software first, that RESPONSE software. Okay, and then all of you today all of you do one thing, you just take one protein sequence and you submit it how we have done in the session, okay, and you put your email ID, a result will come. The analysis part we will be doing in the next class because it will take some time, okay. So you don't have to send me all those things.
Can we do this in our phone?
You can do it in your phone also, but for visualization, no, it will not be available. That particular software in your mobile. Whatever software you will be using, no, your that RESMAL software, that I don't think so you will be able to install in your mobile. Okay, because it is a desktop version. Other thing you can do, okay, submitting all those sequence or whatever you can do. Okay. Okay. We have got the result, but analysis for analysis it will take some time. I'll just show you how it is come here. Okay, so whenever this particular job is over, no, they will send this message, ended message. Okay, on that one, just go down. Okay, it will be written here. Results are available for 60 days at URL this one. Okay, this thing you should get. This particular thing you should get. Results are available here. Okay, so in the next class we will be analyzing the results. Okay, and we will be just visualizing the your protein structure. Okay, we will be just doing it only. Okay, the visualization of your models and the interpretation of your models. Okay, it will hardly take 10 minutes. Okay, for your analysis part. Okay, so till this thing, no, you just practice the practical till this point. Okay, you should get this. Okay, after that analysis part we'll see. Is it okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, till this part you should get it. So in the next practical session, we'll be doing this analysis part plus your Swiss model part. Okay, on that day it will be over everything. Is this okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you do it, then tell me how you got it, this result or not. You just message me. Okay, you don't have to send all those pictures. Okay. Okay, if you
Sir.
yes, you can ask.
Sir, no, sir, subject to no. Kali sir rating to ahana class or.
Kalle rating to ki ho rating?